Beautiful turnkey furnished coach home in the bundled golf community of Forest Glen, golf cart included. Spacious, tastefully decorated with upgrades including hardwood floors in all 3 bedrooms, LVP flooring in the living area, plantations shutters, large enclosed lanai for additional space and to enjoy the beautiful golf course view. Forest Glen is a full amenity club with 18 holes of golf in one of the best rated courses in Southwest Florida along with 4 Har-Tru tennis courts. Master Suite offers a very large bathroom with soaking tub, separate walk-in shower and his/her closets. The 2 additional bedrooms are located on the opposite side of the home, making for privacy. This wonderful property offers 630 acres of nature trails for jogging, bicycling, community pools, fitness center, clubhouse, restaurant, pub and poolside outdoor dining. All this plus just a short drive to Olde Naples 5th Avenue and the beaches, seconds to I-75, restaurants, groceries and shops. You can have it all. Come and see this piece of paradise.